Hi everybody. So in this session, I'm going to explain step by step, how we can request evaluation license and how we can add in our security gateway. We can select checkpoint firewall. So I thought, it is very, very important to know about license and how we can request, how you can add, because as per my observation, there is no any such good content with a step-by-step guide is available on the YouTube. So the same process we need to do in the production itself, but in this case we can only request evolution license for 30 days. Okay, so how we can check like when our license is going to expire. So we can do by GUI, web UI, or through CLI also. So if you log in the gateway. So in case of mine, both like gateway and management server is installed on the same box, so that is a standalone deployment we can say. So if you come in the maintenance and license status, so we can say like it's going to expire on 8 January 2025. So let me show like how we can request evolution license for 30 days. So first we need to create your user center account. So it is very, very mandatory. If you don't have user account, uh, or your checkpoint user center, then we need to create first. For that, we need to create one sign up, and once then we need to put some details. And once your account is created, so how we can create it? We need to just log into the user center with the help of this is the URL. So once we log in here, here. So I have already logged in because I have already created user center checkpoint user center account. So we can create it. It's very simple. We just need to put the details whatever it will ask, and then it will be created. Okay. So once we create the user center account, then we need to go on the asset info and then my account. So we need to create account also inside the user center. We need to go on the asset info and then my accounts, and then create your account. So it create account inside user center. Inside user center, account is important to request the license. So first we need to sign up for checkpoint user center, and once we created your user center account, then go in the asset info and then go on the my accounts, and then we need to create account. Okay, so I'm on the section, and customer name I have given out our name, my name, and company name we can put any because it is the live environment, like which account name you want to keep. So I mentioned like this. Company size, industry is information technology. Company size I have mentioned 51 to 100. If if there is site for your company, we can mention. Telephone number is optional, but you can mention like is your company owned and controlled partially owned by a government? So click no, and then we can put your address also. So these are the optional, I think. Let me try if I'm able to create or not. Okay, so it's saying like these are the mandatory things like address. So let me put like something else. We can put anything. Um, put our country is India. So fine. And website I'm just putting like abc.com. You can put anything and then create account. Okay, so now our account is created, and authorization is like administrator. That is fine. So then we need to go on the we have already we have I'm on the user center. Inside user center, I have created my account. If you go on the asset info and then my account, so I have created the account, and then now I have already put all the details. Then we need to go on the try your then we need to log in into user center and select try our products and product evaluation. So now we have already login. So try our products and then product evaluation here. Okay, and then we need to click on the product evaluation, and then we need to select this one, all in one. Okay, so you will be given some option. Choose all in one evaluation option. Okay, so this will give you a 30-day license for the flowing on a checkpoint appliance or virtual machine security management. Okay, with multi-domain and all features enabled. Security management with all software blade, remote access VPN for unlimited users and endpoint security products sandblast agent for 100 users. Okay, so it is going to give all the features for 30 days if you are going to select all in one evaluation. Okay, so I need to click here and then next, and then we need to select our account. So this is the account we just created, and this is for the different. So this is for my company. So we will not use that part. So this is the live environment. So whatever I created at the moment, I'm just going to use, and I'm putting our management IP address of the firewall. So it's 192.168.137.10. Let me cross check. So it is 192.168.137.10. It is all right. And then purpose. So I'm just taking like uh, new software. Yeah, security gateway in lab environment. Okay, and just click this one. We don't need to click this one. I would like a checkpoint representative to contact me for further information. It is not required because we are doing a lab environment and we don't want like someone call us for any information. Okay, then click on the get evaluation. So it will create a evaluation license for me, and then we can add this license in our security gateway. So in my environment, security gateway and management server is installed on the same box. So it is called a standalone deployment. Okay. Then select user center account to the we have already selected it, and then an evaluation license will generated and instruction will be presented to you and also sent via email. So it will show like this. Once it will generated, it will show like this, and they generally also send via email also. Okay, and then we need to click on the get license file. Then we need to download it, and then we need to add that on our firewall. Okay, with the help of a smart console. So this is how we can recreate a evaluation license, and then once it will done, then we'll add this license. Okay, so this is the a step you need to follow in the production also, especially when you're requesting evaluation license. Mostly time checkpoint team renew the license automatically. We just need to give some detail of our devices, but in case of evaluation, we can follow these steps. Okay, I hope this step is very, very helpful. I'm going to upload this PDF on my drive, and I'll share my drive link in the description so you can download it. Okay, let's see like it's created or not. See, so product evaluation, congratulations. Your evaluation product has been successfully added to the specified user center account. Okay, so that is fine. This is our device IP address, and this is the company account name, and this is the account ID. That is fine. And then we need to click on the get license file, and we can download in the download section. That is fine. Okay. So once we have downloaded, then we need to go log in your checkpoint firewall. So in like we need to log in your security management server. In my case, security management server and gateway is installed on the same box. So I'm going to log in, and then we need to go on the manage license and packages, and then let me log in. So now it is initializing services. So are looking good. Yeah, it is launching. Okay, then we need to click here and then go in the manage license and packages. You need to click OK. So once we click, checkpoint smart update is open. So it's showing like checkpoint product trial checkpoint product trial period will expire in 11 days. So whatever at the moment it is going to expire in 11 days. So just click OK. And then here we need to click here like license and contract. Okay. Then we need to navigate to license and contracts menu. At the top, navigate to add license menu and click from file. Okay. License and contracts and then add license. We can add, we can click this one also, add package from file itself. So go on the download and I think it is available in download section. Just 1 minute. Yeah. CP checkpoint license file.lic. Okay, no problem. So let me do from here also. Test license. Or we can do from here license and contract. Click on here and then go on the license and contract and add license and from file. So it is there. Just need to click that one. So the following a modification in your license information, the number of permitted core has changed from unlimited to one. This machine has a total of 4 cores. Please reboot the security gateway. Okay. So import file summary. So the file contains two licenses. One license has been added to the license repository so far. Trying to attach one license. That is fine. So this session was just for to show like how we can request evolution license, how we can add it. Like your firewall is like how much core it depends, and accordingly they will provide the license. We need to mention like how much core. So in production, generally we have the people from the checkpoint. If you have any doubt, we can tell them via email or via call. So that is fine. And then let me reboot this firewall. So let me just log into that firewall. Admin, reboot, log, database, override, then reboot. Yes. So this system is went for reboot. That is fine. So we will wait. Okay. Meanwhile, let me so like anything is pending or not. So we have click on the license and contracts. We have add license from file. We have already browsed it, and then the file will be added to the repository and can now be attached to the relevant object. And then we need to go on the web UI, and then we can check the status like when it is going to expire. So earlier it was showing like 8 January 2025. Now it should be extended. So just wait. Let me just pause this video, and once firewall will come up, we will see that. Okay, so now our our device is come up after reboot. So now we need to log in through web UI, and let me log in. So this is, let me open my, how we can, okay. Meanwhile, let me check through CLI. So if you run this command in export mode, simply print a space minus X. So it will show like, see, earlier our license expiry date was 8 January 2025. Now it is showing 28 January 2025. Okay. So we have successfully, added our evolution license for the on our checkpoint firewall. Just 1 minute. Yeah, this is our firewall. If you log in on this firewall, let me override the configuration log and then go on the maintenance license status. Okay. So now it is showing like at 28 January 2025, 28 January 2025. Earlier it was showing 8 January. Okay. And let me log in and try to install the policy. So this is how we can request the evaluation license. For that, first we need to create user center account, then go on the asset info, then go on the my account, and we need to create account, and then uh, request the evaluation license, and then we log into the smart console, and then go on the manage license and contracts, and from there we can go get license and contract, and then we can add our file whatever we got from checkpoint. Okay. So meanwhile, I'm just pausing this video. Otherwise, it will be long. So this is how we can, request checkpoint evaluation license, and we can add it. But one thing we need to take care, like while requesting evaluation license, we should, make sure like we need to tell checkpoint like our security gateway and management server both are installed on the same box. So first try to discuss with them because in lab we can do anything, okay, but in production we should be sure like whatever we have requested that is wrong or right, okay. So in this session I just tell all the step. I'm going to upload this PDF link so we can download for your study purpose, okay. So this is how we can request evaluation step by step. A step-by-step guide is shown in this PDF. So only things we need to take care, like please be sure like to coordinate with checkpoint. Like for example, your box is running as a standalone. Okay, And then if we come on the like CLI, and if you run this command, this one cpleak, this is the command. If you go on the expert mode and admin 123 and cpleak print space -x. So now it is showing like it is going to expire on 28 January 2025. Earlier it was showing 8 January. Okay. Thank you everybody. Thank you everybody for your time. So please, share this session. Try to subscribe it and like it. Thank you very much for your time.